and fill your mind with positive and beautiful thoughts. Things can go wrong at times, physical body can be ill at times, but remember to keep the balance by remaining calm and in control. So how it is being used in your daily practice? Just before you start your surgery, just meditate for a few seconds. Your meditation will fill the theatre with your positive vibrations, and the divine power will be filling the whole theatre, and the staff also will get the positive energy, and your surgery will be successful. You will be alert, active, 100% concentration, because you are still young. So keep your cool by practicing yoga, balancing, meditation, and doctors often forget to look after themselves. So keep yourself young and happy by doing this regularly. Take vacation as required, rejuvenate yourself. This is a picture of the Niagara Falls, which I saw 3 years back. So keep yourself fit to make others fit. As Bhagavad Gita says, you are your best friend and you are your worst enemy. Never belittle yourself. Consider that you are a very strong person, which you really are. Uttred atmanatmanam na atmanam apasadeye. So friends, let us just half close our eyes for a few seconds. All of you please fill your mind with positive thoughts. Thank God that you are given this opportunity to belong to this very noble profession, and that too, looking after the eyes, giving sight to so many. So all of us are blessed. So let us do justice to our profession. Imagine that you are getting power from God Almighty above. The power comes like a laser beam from above to you, filling your whole body, energizing every cell. Your battery is getting charged, just like your mobile battery gets recharged. Charge your mind for a few seconds, few minutes. First thing in the morning, last thing at night, and during the day, when you start your surgery, when you start on a journey, just getting the power from God Almighty for a few seconds will help you. So friends, I wish you health, happiness and prosperity in all your endeavors. Thank you.
Thank you, madam, for those